Have you ever wondered why some plants flourish while others struggle to survive? The secret often lies in choosing the right plants for the right environment. Whether you're creating a backyard garden, decorating your home with indoor plants, or starting your first landscaping project, understanding plant requirements is essential for success. In this video, we'll explore how to choose the right plants by assessing your environment, understanding plant needs, and avoiding common mistakes. Let's get started. Every plant requires 4 essential elements for healthy growth: light, water, soil, and temperature. Light provides the energy plants need for photosynthesis. Some plants thrive in full sunlight, while others prefer partial shade or low light conditions. Water is equally important. Different plants have different moisture requirements. Overwatering can cause root rot, while underwatering can stress the plant and slow growth. Soil quality plays a major role in plant health. Good soil supplies nutrients, supports root growth, and provides proper drainage. Temperature also affects plant performance. Tropical plants enjoy warm conditions, while hardy plants can survive colder climates. Understanding these factors helps you create the ideal environment for your plants. Before buying any plant, take time to evaluate your surroundings. Start by observing sunlight patterns. How many hours of direct sunlight does your space receive each day? Next, consider your local climate. Examine your soil as well. Testing soil pH and drainage can help determine which plants will thrive. Also think about available space. Some plants stay compact, while others grow into large shrubs or trees. By understanding your environment, you'll be able to select plants that naturally fit your conditions. For indoor spaces, low-maintenance plants such as snake plants, pothos, and spider plants are excellent options. They tolerate lower light levels and improve indoor air quality. For sunny outdoor gardens, plants like lavender and sedum thrive with plenty of sunlight. If your garden has shaded areas, consider ferns and hostas, which grow beautifully with limited direct light. For wet locations, moisture-loving plants such as cattails and willows perform well. In dry climates, drought-resistant succulents and ornamental grasses are excellent choices because they require less water. Matching plants to their environment increases the chances of long-term success. Another important decision involves choosing between native and non-native plants. Native plants naturally grow in your region and have adapted to local conditions over many years. They usually require less water, fertilizer, and maintenance. They also support local wildlife by providing food and shelter for birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects. Non-native plants can offer unique colors and visual appeal, but some species may become invasive and disrupt local ecosystems. Whenever possible, incorporating native plants into your landscape helps create a healthier and more sustainable garden. Plant hardiness zones help gardeners determine which plants can survive local winter temperatures. These zones divide regions according to their average minimum temperatures. Before purchasing plants, check which hardiness zone you live in and choose plants rated for your zone. Doing so greatly improves the likelihood that your plants will survive and thrive year after year. Many gardeners make simple mistakes when selecting plants. One common error is choosing plants solely because they look attractive without considering their environmental needs. Another mistake is ignoring the plant's mature size, leading to overcrowding later. Some gardeners overlook climate suitability, while others underestimate maintenance requirements. Researching your plant choices before purchasing can save time, money, and frustration. Once you've chosen the right plants, proper care is essential. Water plants according to their specific needs and avoid overwatering. Use balanced fertilizers during the growing season to provide necessary nutrients. Inspect plants regularly for pests and diseases so problems can be addressed early. Consistent care will help your plants stay healthy, vibrant, and productive. Choosing the right plants is one of the most important steps toward gardening success. By understanding light requirements, water needs, soil conditions, climate, and plant compatibility, you can create a thriving garden that is both beautiful and sustainable. Take time to assess your environment, select suitable plants, and provide proper care. The results will be healthier plants, fewer problems, and a garden you can enjoy for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Like, subscribe, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. For more gardening tips and plant growing guides, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.